The quest for space exploration has been a driving force behind some of the most significant technological advancements of our time. From the development of computing and telecommunications to space tourism, space technology has far-reaching impacts that extend far beyond the cosmos. In this journey, we'll explore 5 space technologies that are having a profound impact on our world. Let's start with how Earth imaging satellites have revolutionized the way we understand our planet. These satellites orbit the Earth, capturing high-resolution images of our lands, oceans, and atmosphere. With this technology, we can monitor crop yields and water levels, track deforestation and desertification, and even predict natural disasters like hurricanes and wildfires. NASA launched the first satellite in 1972. The first Landsat mission marked the debut of satellite imagery. Over the past 4 decades, the impact of Earth imaging satellites have been felt across various industries, from agriculture to urban planning. They help us optimize resource allocation, respond to emergencies such as the 2014 civil war in South Sudan, and make informed decisions about our environment. One of the latest ones is the PACE satellite. It launched in February 2024 to record observations of global ocean biology, aerosols, and clouds. This is to advance the assessment of ocean health by measuring the distribution of tiny plants and algae that sustain the marine food web. By gazing down at our planet from space, we've gained a new perspective on the beauty of our home in the universe. And with that, we move to what space enthusiasts are always keen to hear: the opportunity to travel out of Earth. Have you ever used a GPS device to find your way? Or have you checked your phone to see where you are on a map? That's all thanks to space technology for navigation. It first started with satellites orbiting around the Earth, beaming down signals that our devices can detect, allowing us to pinpoint our exact location. This navigation also helps aeroplanes and ships navigate safely, assists emergency responders in finding people in need, enables farmers to precision plant crops, and reduces waste. However, scientists are taking it to the next level, which is space navigation, or let's say, tourism. Leading companies such as Spacex, Blue Origin, Virgin Galactic, and Axiom Space have made substantial progress, making suborbital flights increasingly accessible to civilians. Virgin Galactic has even allegedly taken up to $600 in deposits from passengers booked on the first commercial flight. These pioneers are expected to further develop their technologies, potentially making space tourism more commonplace and affordable. In the coming years, experts predict a proliferation of spaceports globally, resembling airports tailored for space travel. As competition intensifies, prices could become more competitive, allowing a broader demographic to partake in the excitement of space exploration. Longer duration missions, including visits to space hotels or orbital journeys, may soon become feasible. Safety standards and regulatory frameworks will continue to evolve, ensuring a secure and reliable experience for space tourists. Moreover, advancements in spacecraft design and propulsion technology might shorten travel times to distant destinations like the Moon or even Mars, unlocking new frontiers in the realm of space tourism. For that to be achieved, scientists are working towards a reusable launch spaceship, proving the feasibility of reusable orbiters and solid rocket boosters remains one of the key achievements of the Space Shuttle program. Today, there is a competitive race to integrate reusability as a standard feature in launch vehicles, aiming to cut down on manufacturing cost. Spacex has been at the forefront with their innovative Falcon 9 rocket, which lands back on Earth vertically near its launch site. Similarly, Blue Origin plans for much of their New Shepard system to be reusable. For reusability to be safe and effective, rockets must be highly reliable and relatively easy to maintain. And that stems from the engine they comprise. Engineers face the critical task of identifying and addressing potential risks during both the design and validation phases, as well as throughout the operational lifespan of the hardware. This includes monitoring for worn or damaged parts that could pose significant dangers to payloads or crew members. This amazing technology is very possible, but it requires light spacecraft, unlike the previous ones that weighed over 450,000 kilograms. That's when this comes into being. The future of space technology is poised to enhance the efficiency of interstellar vehicles by prioritizing streamlined designs and reducing weight. Key efforts are being made to optimize crucial components like engines and fuel tanks, aiming to increase cost efficiency and ease of production. Reducing the weight of spacecraft components not only minimizes the energy required for launch, but also lowers overall resource and energy consumption. The manufacturing process for launch vehicles and satellites demands precision engineering and significant time and expense. NASA and Relativity Space, a private firm, collaborated on pioneering efforts to 3D print rocket engine parts using GRCOP42, a copper-based alloy. According to NASA, these advancements have enhanced performance while substantially cutting down on the weight and cost of thrust chamber components. These 3D printed parts were successfully employed in the March 2023 launch of the Terran 1 rocket, showcasing a promising approach for future space missions. However, rigorous testing is essential to ensure these innovative components meet the stringent standards required for regular operational deployment, comparable to those achieved through traditional manufacturing methods. And to round it up, you are watching this video thanks to space technology. In today's world, a significant portion of the global population relies on mobile phones, personal computers, and other electronic devices to exchange information. Key to this interconnectedness are communication satellites orbiting the Earth and facilitating global telecommunication. These satellites act as relays, enhancing radio signals through transponders to establish communication channels between transmitters and receivers located across different points on the planet. While terrestrial alternatives exist, space-based technologies often offer advantages such as reduced infrastructure needs and more economical service delivery options. For example, instead of erecting multiple transmission towers for broadcasting television to remote areas, a single satellite dish can receive signals beamed from a satellite, like the Starlink satellite developed by Spacex, which provides high-speed internet even in challenging environments. These satellites are like a giant network of messengers in the sky, helping us communicate and share ideas with each other. They've made the world a smaller, more connected place, and have opened up new possibilities for business, education, and friendship. Courtesy of this game-changing space technology, we can now connect with each other from anywhere on the planet. They orbit the Earth, receiving and transmitting signals that allow us to make phone calls and send text to friends and family living far away. With the internet, we can access the internet and share information with people across the globe. Without communication satellites, our lives would be very different. We wouldn't be able to instantly connect with others across the globe, and our access to information and entertainment would be limited. Thanks to space technology, the sci-fi world we watch in movies is now becoming a reality. It's an exciting journey into its early stages, and we are all participants in this incredible evolution. Do you believe in more of this? Share your thoughts in the comments below.